Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 7 reasons why you should consider replacing butter with olive oil in your diet. You think that butter, that yellow brick you call an ingredient, is doing you any favors? It's about time you learned a thing or two about real flavor, about ingredients that don't clog your arteries before you can say cholesterol. We're talking about olive oil, the king of the kitchen. Get ready to elevate your cooking because we're about to show you why olive oil is the ingredient you should be reaching for every single time. Listen up, you lot. Butter might taste good, but it's laden with saturated fat, the artery-clogging culprit. Olive oil, on the other hand, is a champion of monounsaturated fats, the heart-healthy heroes that keep your ticker ticking like a well-oiled machine. Switching to olive oil isn't just about swapping one ingredient for another, it's about taking control of your health, one delicious dish at a time. Think olive oil is just for drizzling? Think again, you donkey. This liquid gold is bursting with antioxidants, those tiny warriors fighting inflammation and chronic diseases in your body. It's like having a microscopic army protecting your cells from damage. While butter just sits there melting into a pool of greasy regret, olive oil is out there fighting for your health, giving you that extra edge in the battle against aging and disease. Let's face it, we've all been there, staring down the barrel of another diet, wondering if flavor is gone for good. But listen, swapping butter for olive oil can actually help you manage your weight. It's lower in calories and helps you feel fuller for longer. That's right, you can enjoy delicious food and still fit into your trousers. It's a bloody miracle. You know what's worse than a bland dish? A burnt one. Butter with its low smoke point can't handle the heat, turning your kitchen into a smoke-filled disaster zone. But olive oil, it laughs in the face of high temperatures, making it your best mate for searing, frying and roasting. So go on, crank up the heat and cook with confidence, knowing your olive oil can handle it. Think olive oil is just for salads and dips? You're bloody clueless. This kitchen hero is a master of disguise, blending seamlessly into any recipe. From savory roasts to decadent cakes, olive oil adds a touch of magic to every dish. It's time to ditch the one-trick pony that is butter and embrace the versatility of olive oil. A sharp mind needs a sharp fuel, and olive oil is just the ticket. Its healthy fats are like rocket fuel for your brain, boosting cognitive function and keeping your memory sharper than my tongue in the kitchen. So ditch the butter, that brain fog-inducing block of fat, and embrace the mental clarity that comes with a splash of olive oil. Choosing olive oil isn't just a win for your health, it's a win for the planet too. Olive oil production is much kinder to Mother Earth compared to the resource-intensive dairy industry. So ditch the butter, that environmentally questionable block of fat, and make a choice that's good for you and the planet. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Remember, switching to olive oil is one of the simplest yet most impactful changes you can make for your health and the planet. Now go on, get cooking with the king of the kitchen, and I'll see you in the next video.